Hi guys, today we're going to be converting measurement and we are going to be looking at capacity. And what that means, capacity is just volume. It's filling a container up. So I would say out of all of them, this is the most difficult to convert, but you guys are familiar with it. You guys made Gallon Guy last year and you use these type of measurements in baking or in cooking or just in your daily life. So you're familiar with them. So looking at this, we have quarts and cups. So I know that quarts is larger and cups is smaller. And a quart, remember guys from last week, a quart is like a container of orange juice. And a cup is that baking, when you guys bake, it's a cup. So when we look at this, we need to be using our conversion chart. So this right here will help you. So I know if I have 1 quart, it equals 2 pints. And I know 2 pints equals 4 cups. And so that helps us right here, okay? That's how I use this information right here to figure this out. So if I have 1 quart, I know because if I have 1 quart, and that's 4 cups. So my rule is going to be times 4. So if I had, let's say like that, 1 quart, my rule is times 4. So 1 quart times 4 equals 4 cups. I'm gonna go ahead and do my rule on this table. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 quarts times 3 times 4 is 12. 5 quarts times 4 is 20 cups. And that will also, guys, if you need to go back and look at Gallon Guy, I have put it on the second slide. That will also help you be able to figure out if you had a quart, 1 quart, how many cups are in a quart. When we look at this chart, I know my pints are smaller than quarts. So that's going to be smaller. And quarts is larger. So when I'm going from a smaller to larger, I'm dividing. Pints are larger or smaller, so I'm going to look at, so 1 quart equals 2 pints. So I know that if I had, let's say 2 pints there, I would be dividing by 2. That would be 1 quart. So if I had 4 divided by 2 would be 2 quarts. And if I had 6 divided by 2, that would be 3 quarts. So these tables, guys, will help you a lot be able to convert measurements. So make sure that you save all of these for our assessment on Friday.